Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a Raspberry Pi and webcam based automatic and manually root signal control system. So in this system, we have included a Raspberry Pi 0 to W, one manual switch, it's a push switch, and one SG90 servo motor, three LEDs for green signal, yellow signal, and red signal. And in this system, we designed here a signal, and we use here these types of multiple toy vehicles to detect by using our webcam. So let's check the full operation of our project first. So in this system, our road is showing 0 vehicles detected, that showing in our monitor, and also you will see this output in my left upper side. So now I will insert one by one vehicles in this part, and then that will be detected by this webcam, and it will make the decision to control this servo motor or this gate. So first of all, we insert here this one vehicle, and you see the output that one vehicle is already detected, and now our indicator light is showing red color. That means there have no necessity to open the gate because our vehicle quantity is low. Now I will add another vehicle here. It's now detect two vehicle, already two vehicle is detected here, and now we will add here another vehicle. Three vehicle is detected, and in this part we will see that our yellow color indicator light is turned on, and now we will insert another one. So you see that our 4 vehicle is detected. So till now our yellow indicator light or signal light is turned on. We insert here another one vehicle. So if it make error, then we need to change the position of vehicle with a minimum distance, then it will be detect perfectly. So you said that our 5 vehicle is perfectly detected. So when it will be more than 5 vehicle will be detect, then our gate will be turn on or open the gate by using this servo motor. So now it's sorry, it was detected my hand or anything, just we set this one again. So our gate is open, and our system is showing that our vehicle is detected 6 and gate is open, and this operation is detect our vehicles perfectly. And now if we remove one, so our gate is locked. We remove another one, so our detected vehicle quantity is reducing here. So we reduce the vehicle more and more. But if you detect only 2 vehicles, gate is not opening, and it's a night time, at that moment our vehicles quantity of movement will be lower than our daytime. That's why we insert here a manual switch, because a operator will be press this button, then this gate will be automatically updated or open the gate. So we press this button and our vehicle will be go out from this part. So gate will be locked again. So again we set some vehicles. Five vehicle is detected and we set last one. It's 6 or more will be detected. At that moment our gate will be open. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.